Have you ever looked at a watch and felt like it was more than just a timekeeper? Something with history, with personality, with soul? Meet the Vacheron Constantin Historiques American 1921, a truly unique piece from one of the oldest and most respected Swiss watchmakers in the world. Vacheron Constantin has been crafting watches since 1755, and when they bring back a design from the past, you know it's going to be something special. The American 1921 isn't just a watch, it's a tribute to a golden age of style, elegance, and innovation, originally created for the American market in the roaring 1920s. This watch stood out then, and it still turns heads today. The first thing you'll notice is the dial. It's tilted, not broken, but purposefully off-center. Why? Because back in the day, it was designed for drivers. When your hands are on the wheel, the angled dial makes it easier to read the time without moving your wrist. Genius, right? Now, let's talk materials. This model, reference 82035000 R-9359, comes in a stunning 18K5 and pink gold case. It's warm, rich, and catches the light beautifully. It's not flashy, it's classy. The case size is 40 millimeters, a perfect balance between vintage proportions and modern comfort. It sits well on the wrist with its cushion-shaped case, giving it a distinctive, elegant look that you won't find in your average round watch. The dial itself is a beautiful silver-toned background with bold black Arabic numerals, a small seconds sub-dial at the 3 o'clock position, and elegant blued hands that give just the right pop of colored dot. And inside, it's powered by Vacheron Constantin's in-house caliber 4400S, a hand-wound mechanical movement with a 65-hour power reserve. That means you can set it down for almost 3 days, and it's still ticking. When you come back, flip the watch over, and you'll see the movement through the sapphire crystal case back, finished to perfection with traditional Geneva stripes, polished angles, and handcrafted details that show just how much love went into this piece. The strap is made from dark brown alligator leather with a matching pink gold buckle. Soft, durable, and elegant, it completes the vintage charm of the watch. But here's the thing. The American 1921 isn't just about specs. It's about character. It's about choosing something different, something that speaks to your style and appreciation for history and craftsmanship. This is a watch for someone who doesn't want what everyone else has. It's for the person who notices the little things, the tilted dial, the hand-finished movement, the story behind the design. And if you're that kind of person, then the Historiques American 1921 might just be the perfect watch for you. Classic, unique, timeless. This isn't just a watch. It's a piece of living history made for today.